playroom with a table filled with different fruits. The host stands beside the table. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fruit party. Today, we have some amazing fruits to introduce to you. Are you all excited? Great! Let's start with the first fruit. H holds up a watermelon. Who can tell me what this is? It's a watermelon. That's right. Watermelons are juicy and delicious. Places the watermelon back on the table. Now, who wants to introduce the next fruit? I do. This is an apple. It's crunchy and sweet. Excellent. Apples are a healthy snack. Puts the apple back. Who's next? Holding a banana. Me. This is a banana. It's yellow and yummy. Good job. Bananas are packed with energy. Returns the banana to the table. Let's keep going. The kids take turns introducing the fruits, each one holding up a different fruit. Holding a mango. Look, it's a mango. It's orange and super tasty.
Holding a pineapple. This is a pineapple. It's prickly on the outside, but sweet on the inside.
Holding an orange, I have an orange. It's round and juicy. Holding a peach, and this is a peach. It's fuzzy and soft. Wow, you all did an amazing job. You've introduced all the fruits so well. Now, who's ready to taste them? The kids cheer and the host cuts the fruits into bite-sized pieces for everyone to enjoy. Remember, fruits are not only delicious, but also very good for you. They help keep us healthy and strong. The kids happily munch on the fruits, giggling and chatting. Thank you all for joining our fruit party today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Keep eating those yummy fruits. The kids wave for more videos. Keep watching and subscribe. Danyal Haider cartoon.